I'm Darryl. This is my first time out of India. The REITZ family has been able to easily integrate me into their work culture and into their family space also. I finished my mechanical engineering in the year 2019. I've been working here for the past 2 months now. Well, right now I'm a CNC machine operator and supervisor. So what I do is I set up the stones and then I control the parts and further go ahead with milling and boring. Getting to know more about the material and the workzeug, or you call it, the tools that you use, that is very important. You should be at least a bit good in mathematics, and you should be able to guess where and when, which position in spatial organization you have your machine at. So that is the most important thing. The equipment here is state-of-the-art and quite precise. So it's very easy to work with and very easy to get familiar with the machine. For a mechanical engineer, it's like a dream place to be. So that was the main idea behind it. Mission accomplished. Yeah.